around 55 or Grenada, let them know that, boy, some big-time rain is headed your way in a second. You may actually want to get off the highway at an exit, let that storm pass. Hail, gusty winds also possible with that one. And up into Kentucky and West Virginia, boy, do we have some flooding issues. Flash flood warnings in effect all the way from around Lexington over towards Charleston, Beckley, West Virginia. Jennifer and Dr. Forbes.
April typically is a month that we find a lot of tornadoes developing. And here to talk more about the outbreaks from some huge events is Dr. Greg Forbes, our severe weather expert. And Dr. Forbes, we're looking back in the history books, and you were actually remembering quite a few of these outbreaks.
Indeed. I was a graduate student studying with Dr. Fujita 41 years ago, April 3rd, 1974. At that time, we called that the super outbreak with 147 tornadoes. There's been since one more big enough, April 27th, 2011, that we called it a super outbreak as well, 293 tornadoes there. Let's take a look at the locations where the tornadoes occurred back in 1974, and I helped map quite a few of these. Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Michigan, Kentucky, Tennessee, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and over into some of the Appalachians. I hate to bring bad memories back for Louisville, but Louisville had an F4 tornado on this date 41 years ago. Xenia, Ohio, Gulen, Alabama, quite a few tornadoes that were very, very bad. In fact, 13 states, 310 plus killed, 30 tornadoes rated F4 or F5 on that original Fujita scale. We learned quite a bit from these. I'll walk over here and get the blackboard. One of the things that Dr. Fujita had hypothesized was that tornadoes didn't just have one counterclockwise circulation about them, but sometimes had multiple funnels that themselves had rotations, and they rotated, they revolved about the parent tornado. So we've sketched that out. Here's a parent tornado. And then inside that, you see these little blue mini tornadoes. We call them suction vortices. They have their own inflow.